y'all, welcome back. I took out this breakfast sauce. I call it breakfast sausage from the freezer. I'm just gonna use a little bit of it. I have never made a savory dish. Well, I've never made a dish that wasn't breakfast with this. We're gonna try a little bit for a pesto creamy pasta. Creamy pesto pasta. I don't want it to be overpowering though. Alright y'all, my sausage is cooked here. I'm going to add in a little bit of flour just because, so we can have a thick sauce. It's not really necessary. Get that in there. Soak up that grease. I actually might add in a little water first so we don't separate or anything bad. About a quarter cup here, or a third cup. And I don't mind the water because the noodles need to cook. I've got it on all the way low. Got about 3/4 full here. See, it's super thick already. I need to use this up. Like I said before, I've never made a dinner-ish dish with this ground pork sausage. I'm gonna get this pesto in there. I'm just gonna use this up. So good. It's about 1/5 left or so. It's a lot though. Plenty. Yeah, there's quite a bit. This stuff is delicious. I'm gonna pour a little bit, I actually poured a little bit of water in here to get all this out. Yeah, this stuff is delicious. It's thickening up a bit. These are the chicken mozzarella, maybe. Before this thickens up, I'm just gonna add these raviolis. I'm gonna try to do a 1 pot here. It's taking too long. This little bit of ice on here, I'm not worried about flavor-wise or the final product. Add a little bit in the bag. Carefully add it all in and make a fat mess. Dog hair. 1 pot meal, baby. 1 pot meal. Just try to get these to cook. I didn't even need to add that sausage, but I wanted to give it a try because these raviolis, I like these ones pretty good. Raviolis, I never grew up with them too bad. They're not really my favorite, but they're pretty good. These chicken and cheese ones from Costco, I believe, are pretty good though. I like them. The chicken. There was a sausage one I didn't really like too bad. The cheese ones only, I don't like those too bad. Just let these cook a few minutes. I will add a little salt and pepper. We will be adding Parmesan cheese, which will add more salt. I'm gonna wait a minute on that though, till the noodles are pretty much done. Hey y'all, this looks delicious. It's come to a boil. Finally, I believe the raviolis are almost done. It's thickening up. The raviolis got thicker. Smells delicious. I think it needs more pepper, and we'll add some parm. There's a little bit left in that bag, and I shaved up some more. Pretty saucy, should be good. Add a little salt. I don't want it to be too salty, I have to check it. Pepper. That pepper smells so good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this little piece here. It's really good. I think it's done. I'll top both portions with pepper and parm. That's dinner, y'all. Quick, easy, one pot meal. Delicious. 2 dishes and what you serve it in. That's it, not bad. I'm gonna put some in a bowl for my husband. He loves raviolis and tortellini. I love noodles, spaghetti. Should get a different utensil. Ow, cut the heat. Thought I already did that. Add a little Parmesan. And pepper. Parmesan pepper. Put it in the little bowl cozy because it's super hot. And there you have it, y'all. Bon appetit. Quick, easy, delicious on a weeknight. I appreciate you guys for joining me in my kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, consider subscribing and following us along for more. I love doing quick, easy dinners and something a little special sometimes, using what we got, not wasting. Have a great day, y'all. See you later. Bye.